So this is going to be a complete review on AI VidForest. So if you don't know what AI VidForest is, it is basically a video creation app. You could be making all of these AI video songs, AI ads maker, then AI cinematic videos and AI storyteller videos and so on. So there are a lot of features that you're going to be getting. So I have found a lot of red flags in this particular software and I'm going to be discussing one by one. So I'm going to be discussing the different audios and upgrade, and then I will talk about the vendor who made the product, and also I'm going to be talking about his other products. So stick around till the end of this video as I'm going to tell you a software that is way better than AI VidForest. So as I've mentioned, you could be making all of this video creation, and if you scroll a bit down here, you could be seeing all of this amazing video that has been created. And I personally don't think it's made by this particular software over here, and I don't think it's that good. Also, there are other tools in the market that could be making way better videos, and I'm going to be telling you in a second. If you have already watched it, don't get deceived. That is what I want to say. So the first red flag I found was about the vendor. So this is the vendor. He has got almost 17 featured offers on Warrior Plus. So he's one of the top Warrior Plus vendors and he has got quite the reputation. So by the time I upload this video, it's already going to be in the market. So the problem comes is when you look at his different products. So these are the products he made in the past. So he has made a lot of products if you look at it. And if you look at his past 5 products, so you can see here it's only 1.6 star review. Here 1.2 star review, 1.46 review, 3.06, 1.89, then 2 star. So all of his reviews that he is getting is very low. It's only like 2 star or below 2 star, and some have got like 3 star, and his average rating is 1.85 review. And almost 1,500 people have reviewed him. So he didn't even get 2 star for the products that he has promoted for the past few years, I would say. And he has got quite a lot of sales, and trusting a vendor that has got below 2 star shouldn't be worth your time. And I wouldn't personally recommend a vendor that has got such low star review. I mean 1.85 star review is very, very less. So in Warrior Plus, you need to be having at least 4 star or 4 star above in order to identify if it is if a vendor is good or if the products are good. So this particular vendor and his products, this is something I wouldn't really recommend because the ratings are really, really low. So this is one of the biggest red flags why I really don't recommend this particular software over here. And also if you're wondering why he has got so much sales, so you can see the sales he is getting is insane. I mean, he's getting a lot of sales for all these products that is getting so low reviews. And the reason because he's getting so much sales is because of how good the sales page is. So if you look at the sales page, I mean, anyone would have actually bought this particular software. So if you look at all of this, you will think like, it has got like really great features and you will straight go ahead and buy this particular software. I mean, even if it were me, I would have bought this software because it costs so low. I mean, it's only like $14.95, and on top of that, you'll get a $3 offer. So it's only like $10.95. So getting all these features for such low price, so anyone would have actually pretty much bought it. But looking at the vendor, what he's going to be doing is that he's going to be taking your $10 away, and at the end of the day, he's going to be making more money and you're going to be left with no value. So that's the point. And also another red flag I found was the different audios and upgrade. So as you can see, the front end is $17. So it can fluctuate between $14.95 to $17. And the first audio is 37. So the problem is that it has got a lot of audios. So that's the biggest red flag in AI VidForest. So once you get into the front end, you will think like there isn't much feature and you'll go to the first audio, and again you'll think like there isn't much feature and you'll go to the second audio. So this is like a sales funnel in which this particular vendor over here makes a lot of money. So it has got a total of 10 OTOs, and 10 OTOs is really a lot. So in order to get the full features of AI VidForest, you will have to upgrade all the 10 OTOs, which will cost you more than $500 or maybe $600, $700, $800, somewhere around that. So you really need to ask yourself, is it like really worth it to spend all of this money for this particular product? So this is why I really don't recommend AI VidForest. And one more thing is that you couldn't be straight ahead, go ahead and buy the OTO 1 or the OTO 5, because first you have to buy the front end, then you have to get through the first OTO, and it goes on and on and on. So this is how the sales funnel work, and you couldn't be buying the OTO 1 without buying the front end. So that's how the vendor makes the money, and this is a red flag also. And if you're looking for an alternative, I would like to suggest you an alternative. It is called InVideo AI. I am pretty sure many people already know this. So if you want to get InVideo AI, you can click the first link in the description. I am promoting this product is because of how good it is, and it has got quite the reputation in the market as well. You could be making really high quality videos like this, as you can see. And this is legitimate. It's not like the other software I just showed you. But the problem is that it's much more expensive. It is not $14.95, which is like only a one-time payment. But here you will have to pay extra because the product is actually really good. So if you look at the pricing, if you look at I think most people would go to monthly. So the plus subscription is $35, and also you could be trying this for free as well. So make sure you guys click the first link in the description, and basically you could be going with any pricing that you want. So that's basically it for this video of AI VidForest, and this is a software I absolutely wouldn't recommend because of the vendor. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.